Today I'm going to show you how to fix this burner issue. These Samsung stoves seem to have this common issue of these burners not shutting off and your regulator not being able to control the heat. I just turned this burner on and it's on low and it will not shut off. It will stay on. Comparing it to this one, you can see the difference. This one's cycling on and off, and this one doesn't cycle on and off at all. And it just involves changing out the regulator in the top control panel here. It's not too bad of a job, just takes a few minutes. The worst part is this little piece is $100 plus or minus. I got mine off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below this video for you. I took the old one apart already on another day and cleaned it all out with some carb cleaner, and it didn't make any difference. It still does not work correctly. This front burner is most likely to go out first because typically this is the burner most people use the most. The good thing about this job is it's not too tough. You just have to pull out your stove from the wall and hook the electrical plug, and then there's a panel in the back that you just have to access to get to the back of this to get this regulator changed out. This is the model number of this stove. Just 5 screws in the back of this panel we gotta take out. This is the regulator here. You might want to snap a picture of this, although the plugs are pretty self-explanatory of the position that they go in. So you just grab the plug itself and pop them off. And this knob, you just pop this off by pulling on it, and just take out the 2 screws that hold the regulator in. It sits in there like this. Here's the old and here's the new. Looks like a perfect match. That's the numbers on the side of them. So I just push this back through the hole, line up my screws on the other side. You don't have to tighten these super tight. Put our knob back on. And now we just hook up our plugs. Now we just put our cover back on, and it has little fins that just sit in the unit, holds it up. Line our holes back up. Get all of them started first. All right, plug our stove back in. Alright, time to give it a test run. That's much better. So that's all there is to it. It's not bad. It's just cost you $100, which is not a big fan of, and I anticipate this side going out for too long as well. Hope that helped you out, guys. Good luck with all your projects.